Hello and welcome everyone. In this video we're going to talk about sending assets from Kraken to your Phantom and Rabby wallet, receiving assets from your Phantom and Rabby wallet to your Kraken account, and then sending crypto assets from or swapping crypto assets in Kraken into euros or dollars and sending them to your bank account. So strap in and enjoy the ride. First of all, we're going to start with sending USDC from your Kraken account to your wallet. As you can see, I deposited 86 euros and we will now send them out. I've got them in USDC. So what you can do is go to transfer. In German it says überweisen, but it says transfer. Withdraw. Then go for USDC. And then you get the option to withdraw on certain chains. What I would recommend you to do is always use Solana and or layer 2s as it's cheaper. You can see here it's actually 2 USDC in transfer fee, which is a lot. So usually what you want to do is transfer everything at once. So what we're going to do is first we're going to choose Solana, choose our Solana wallet address. For this we head to our Phantom wallet, copy the Solana address, input the Solana address, give it a nickname, Phantom Sol test, add the wallet address. You will get a confirmation by email, and then we head to our email account and click on confirm new wallet address. In this case, approve withdrawal address. Withdrawal address approved. Head back to Kraken, and now it's approved. Send the USDC. Check if everything is correct. ECCN 5SME. ECCN 5SME. Perfect. And then confirm. That is it. You can see the transaction in your Kraken activity dashboard. And you can see USDC withdrawn. And it's in processing. So ausstehend in English is processing. Now, for the next withdrawal, we will go for USDC onto base chain, as we're going to mostly use Solana and base chain in frequency. So you head back to the top right, withdraw, USDC, base. Then you copy paste your wallet address, Command V and paste it here. Nickname, Rabby123 test. Add withdrawal address. Head back to your account. Here it already says confirm new withdrawal address. Withdrawal address has been approved. Continue. Send out the rest. Check if everything's correct. And then confirm. That's it. That's how you withdraw crypto from Kraken. Now to the next part where you send crypto to Kraken. So basically depositing crypto assets from Phantom and Rabby onto your Kraken account. In this case, you go to transfer, deposit, Einzahlung auf Deutsch, USDC or any other currency, right? Solana, Ethereum, In this case, we're going to do USDC. And then you will be prompted to choose which chain you want to deposit the USDC from. In this case, Solana and Base. So we're going to start with Solana. So click on Solana. It will tell you that you can only deposit USDC from Solana to this address. Otherwise, if you deposit it from Base, the money will be lost. Head to your Phantom account. So basically, first copy the address, then head to your Phantom account. Click on USDC, the amount you want to send. Click on Send. The recipient's wallet address. Amount, let's do 50. Or in this case, let's do maximum. Check if everything's correct. 5F74PS6Q. Well, in this case, I'm going to trust that it's correct, because then you have to do it again. So this is something that's very annoying with wallet address in this sense when you deposit something, is that it just literally closes it. You can't really check if it's correct or not. You kind of have to copy the whole address, send it to your saved messages in Telegram or somewhere else, or notes, and then check it. But in this case, it's going to be correct because we literally clicked copy paste. Next, and then send. That's it. Easy as that. Once this is done, you will see it in your activity tab once Kraken registered the deposit. And here you can see the withdrawn USDC. In this case, this was to Solana and this was to Base, both successful. Now, depositing USDC from Base, first you go to transfer, then deposit, then USDC, click on USDC, then Base. I comprehend only send assets from Base. Click on your wallet, Rabby wallet, click on send. Input the wallet address with Command V. Confirm if it's not whitelisted. Head to Base in the top drop down. Then go for USDC. Go for maximum if it's maximum. If not, just type the amount you want to send. In my case, maximum. Then click send, confirm, and then it will send the transaction. And that's it. What we can do now is check if our other deposit has already been registered. And here you can see our Solana deposit has already been successful very quickly. Jetzt müssen wir noch das Verkauf machen. As a complete beginner, we will, for transferring money out of Kraken, use the simple convert functions. You can see buy, sell, and convert here. In this case, we're going to convert, and what we're going to convert into is euros. Then it's converted. And now, once you have euros, you sold your USDC into euros, and now you wanted to have it in your bank account again. Then you go to transfer, withdraw, euro, SEPA and instant, and usually, once you transfer your money, you will add your bank account here. Transfer, then I go to what is available, check if everything's correct, and then I can confirm it. I'm not going to do this right now, but what you can see here is it costs €1 to send out money, so transfer fee, and that's basically it. With SEPA and instant transfer, it's there in the snap of your finger. It literally is on my bank account in 5 minutes or so, or even less. So that is basically transferring money from Kraken to your wallet addresses, transferring money from your wallets to your Kraken addresses, and then transferring money out of your Kraken to your bank account. Thank you so much for watching, sending you much love and light, and have a great day.